Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on mastering React higher order components. In this video, we will dive deep into the concept of higher order components in React and understand how to use them effectively in your projects. What are higher order components? A higher order component, HOC, is a pattern in React that allows you to reuse component logic. It is a function that takes a component and returns a new component with some additional functionality. HOCs are used to share common functionality between components without repeating code. Creating a higher order component. To create a HOC, we create a function that takes a component as an argument and returns a new component that wraps the original component. This new component has access to the props of the original component and can pass them down as needed. Using a higher order component. To use a HOC, we simply pass the original component to the function that creates the HOC. The function will then return a new component that has the additional functionality provided by the HOC. Benefits of using higher order components. The benefits of using HOCs are that they allow us to reuse code, make our code more readable, and separate concerns. We can also create reusable HOCs that can be used across multiple projects. Common use cases for higher order components. HOCs can be used for a variety of use cases such as authentication, authorization, and data fetching. They can also be used to provide additional functionality to components such as logging or error handling. Best practices for using higher order components. When using HOCs, it is important to follow some best practices to ensure that they are used effectively. These include keeping the HOCs simple and focused, avoiding naming collisions, and using prop drilling to pass data down to the wrapped component. In conclusion, higher order components are an important pattern in React that can help us write reusable code, make our code more readable, and separate concerns. By following the best practices and using HOCs effectively, we can write cleaner and more maintainable code. Thank you for watching this tutorial on mastering React higher order components. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on React and other web development topics.